Your heart is a vital organ that performs numerous vital functions, such as pumping blood and guaranteeing the distribution of vital nutrients to every region of the body. However, there are instances when the heart may be negatively impacted by a number of things, severely reducing its capacity to function flexibly. Cardiomyopathy, a chronic disease of the heart muscle or myocardium, is one such condition that can lead to this. Cardiomyopathy, or the slow weakening of your heart muscle, can be brought on by a number of circumstances. High blood pressure, a family history of cardiomyopathy, heart attack damage, infections that cause heart inflammation. Heart valve disorders, diabetes, obesity, alcohol use disorder, and cocaine or amphetamine use are some of the condition's most frequent risk factors. Consuming more of a few heart-healthy foods can significantly strengthen your heart and reduce your risk of cardiomyopathy. These foods consist of the following. 1. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are just a few of the berries that are abundant in vital components that are essential for heart health. Antioxidants like anthocyanins, which guard against oxidative stress and inflammation that contribute to the development of heart disease, are examples of such nutrients. Additionally, its consumption has been associated with enhanced insulin sensitivity, LDL, bad cholesterol, and blood vessel lining cell function. 2. Avocado. Consuming avocados frequently can also save your heart muscle from deteriorating over time. This is due to the high amount of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats found in avocados, which have been linked to lower cholesterol levels and a lower risk of heart disease. Avocados can aid in lowering LDL, bad cholesterol, which can increase the risk of heart disease. Additionally, avocados are abundant in potassium, a mineral that lowers blood pressure and promotes heart health. 3. Fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids, which are thought to be good for the heart, are among the numerous vital elements found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and tuna. Omega-3 fatty acids protect the heart and stop the muscle's deterioration over time as well as other heart-related problems. Furthermore, studies have connected a high fish intake to decreased triglycerides, systolic blood pressure, fasting blood sugar, and total cholesterol levels. 4. Leafy greens. Leafy green vegetables are full of important vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, such as spinach, kale, and collard greens. They are especially high in vitamin K, which protects your arteries and encourages healthy blood clotting. Additionally, they include a lot of dietary nitrates, which lessens the risk of cardiomyopathy by lowering blood pressure, thinning the blood arteries, and enhancing the function of the cells that line them.